So welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma Glamour. Excuse the little dewiness on my face. I sprayed my setting spray from Elf, the coconut mist, and it drowned me. So yes, hi everybody doing? Hope you guys are blessed. This is the look I came up with, and yes, for the camera, I do have black hair on. So if you like this look, you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned to the video. See you. No Grandma Glamour. I apologize, you guys. As I'm editing this video, I see that I didn't show you the Revlon products that I use. So I apologize for that. Please continue to enjoy. Welcome back to No Grandma Glamour. Hey, I'm my grandma. And hey, for new viewers and subscribers, how y'all doing? And if you just visiting, please hit that subscribe button at the end of the video. If you like it, hit the like button and also hit that bell to notify you when I upload videos. So yes, I'm basically moisturized, color correct, eyebrows done. I have my base here. I'm the NYX eyeshadow base. I have the Wet n Wild eyeshadows. The names on this palette, one is 759 Comfort Zone, and the other one is 763D, and it says Stop Playing Safe. So this is how Stop Playing Safe look. So let's go into this little dark color here. And I see they got two transition colors. I like how Wet n Wild is doing that. Okay. And see, I'm just stiffling that in transition color. I'm going to go into the other transition color, which is this one. I'm using the same brush, which is the Morphe 441 brush. So this is Comfort Zone, and I'm going to take this color right here and build that color up in my crease and my lids. So let's take this color right here and put on my lid. This is the It All Over Shadow brush. Now I'm going to do my other eye off camera, add some liner, might do some lashes, I don't know. So I will be right back. So hey there, I'm back. I did my little wing liner, nothing too dramatic. I'm gonna go into this Maybelline, and this is the Snapscara. This is 300 Pitch Black. I heard a lot of good reviews about this. This is how it looks. This is the applicator. Yeah. I mean, it's okay. I like basically L'Oreal Paradise, and I believe Maybelline Stiletto. I don't see the big hype. I got these actually at Burlington. Sorry. And my daughter actually used them for her prom 2 years ago. So these supposed to be self-adhesive already. It's Angel, Scarlet, Diva, and Flirt. I'm not trying to go dramatic, so maybe I would just start with the Angel. And these actually was $11.99, and they was on sale for $5.99. It says 4 pair of ready glued eyelashes. The only drama that I enjoy is my lashes. Okay. I gave it a whirl. I don't feel like it is sticking. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do it. So I will be right back. Now, I finally got my lashes on. I had to add glue to it. So let's get into priming. So I picked up this Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. This color like a peach color. Is it a corrector? No, just a pore reducer. Okay. Now, you guys know me by now. just never pick up one foundation because I just don't know. You know, I know if you go to a high-end store and they have samples, yes, but if I go to a store, they don't have samples like Walgreens, Walmart, Target, then I'm just guessing. The colors that I don't wear will definitely be in a giveaway. So I got 4, I got 520, I got 510, I have 500, and 530. So I'm gonna go, since it's winter time, I'm gonna go with the lightest one, and that looks to be 500. Okay. Oh, that might match me. This might go ahead and match. Is that color? I see yellow and everything in there, so that might match me. I'm gonna take my IT brush, and this is the Complexion Perfection brush. I did half of the face. I think that's okay match. It's not too light. I'd rather have too dark than too light as far as foundation. Okay. Skin like finish, which I like. And there's only one pump. I have the 028 far as the concealer. I have the, and that's Oak. I have 015, light pale, it goes like them too light medium, 030, and medium mauve. So let's go with the light medium. I'm gonna take my equal sponge and blend it out. It's coming out. Instead of baking today, I'm just gonna set with, I got 2 powders here. I got 003 and 002. Hopefully they're not too light or too dark. And I'm going to just set my whole face with that after I contour. See, y'all thought I was slipping. I know. I'll take my Pro Girl concealer. This is in the color. What color are you, honey? Beautiful bronze. Let me lick it. Get you drunk off this tongue. I'll blend that out with my Real Technique. And this is a contour brush. Put a little powder under my eyes, and this is the Makeup Forever Professional HD powder. I'm gonna go back and the Stop Playing Safe palette, again by Wet n Wild, and put some color at the bottom of my lashes. Okay, I'm going to use this IT brush, and this is the Precise Shadow Brush. So, I'm going to dust off that powder. Okay. I'm going to take that mascara again, Maybelline Snapscara, and put at the bottom of my lashes. Time for highlight. And I have 2 from Revlon. I have Endless Glow. One is a 003 Go, and the other one is Oval. Let's go into the oval. Let's just see. Okay. Okay, and it's blending very well. Take my little flower brush and just set this powder everywhere. I'm very impressed with Revlon. It's fit me Maybelline, and I'm gonna take 35 coral. This is how it looks. I also have this from Milani, and this is called 01 Sunlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my highlight with that. This is how it looks, very beautiful. I'm just gonna go here. It'll go just like that. Grid. Okay, this is from Maybelline. 104. And this is choice by don't know. It don't say. It's gonna be in the description box once I put my little bifocals on. Because as you can see, there's no, where's it from? It's not saying. Okay. It's the same color as the pencil. Okay, so the face is done. I will be back with my hair and everything. So, see you when I get done. So you guys, this is the finished look. I did add gloss to it, and it was Too Faced Raising the Roof and Smashbox Liner, Always Sharp and Nude Brown. So yes, I like this look, and yes, I got black hair on. I know a lot of people don't see me with black hair, but yeah, I'm rocking black hair for today. So you guys, thank you for everything. Thank you for the support. Don't forget, before you leave, subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to remind you when I upload videos. And always remember to share my channel. Contact me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I am around. Let me know what you guys want to see me do as far as makeup or try on. And again, if you like this video, please hit that like button. So don't forget, no grandma glamour.